Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great. Now we will discuss about ARP protocol of computer networking. My dear students, this will be very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations as well as your semester examination. Two concepts are there, that is ARP and RARP. ARP means address resolution protocol. Through ARP, 32-bit IP address mapped to 48-bit MAC address. IP address is of network, MAC address is of the particular device. ARP table is managed by the local host. One ARP table is managed by the client machine or local host. Receiver's MAC address is fetched. ARP table uses IP address to MAC address. Similarly, in case of RARP, it stands for Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. Through RARP, 48-bit MAC address mapped to 32-bit IP address. RARP table is maintained by RARP server. That will be maintained by the RARP server, but in case of ARP, it is managed by the local host. Here IP address is fetched. That means from in ARP IP address to MAC address, but in case of RARP from MAC address to IP address. One example I am giving here with some diagram. So A is wanting to communicate with B and it is having 4 stations. So what it will happen? First ARP request from A will be sent to network. First request will be sent to the network. This is the ARP request. Where IP address of B is there, this address will be searching the B IP address. Then all nodes will see, but B has to respond with the MAC address. So when it will be broadcasted the request, then every nodes or every system of every station will see, but because of the address of B is searched, only B will respond. This is the diagram. So IP address changes, but MAC address never changes. In network device identified by the device will be identified by the MAC address. So another diagram is there, that is ARP server. A is requesting to B, so A will request to all, to C, to D, to B. A request will go to all stations, but because it is searching only B, so only B can respond, no other station can respond. Dekho, so B is responding to A. This is the diagram. Similarly, another concept of RARP, that is 4 systems are there. Fifth system, this is the another system, is wanting to join. It has MAC address, but it is wanting to join. So it will be broadcast, no one will accept. When it will broadcast the request, no one will accept. So RARP server will provide an IP address to C5. RARP server will provide an IP address to C5. Then all will respond and communicate with C5. This is the ARP and RARP. Thank you.